Thank you for joining me today for my yoga brain break number 3. Make sure you're wearing something that you can move a little bit in, and this will be a complete standing flow, quick, 5 minutes or less, to get the energy flowing in your body and help you mentally make it through the day. All right, we're going to start in mountain pose. Going to take your feet hip width apart, taking your shoulders back and down, placing our palms facing our thighs. Just take a moment to notice your breath. We're going to work on ocean sounding breath, or pranayama, which is breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Making that ocean sounding breath on the exhale. Take a few more breaths here, deepening your breath, taking a little longer exhale, really squeezing through the belly, getting all the air out. Inhaling deeply. One more really deep exhalation. And a deep inhalation being forced from that deep exhalation. All right, go ahead and inhale your arms up. Exhale to the right, really stretching through the side body here on the left side. Taking a few breaths. On your next exhale, coming up, we're going to exhale to the right. Taking a few breaths here, really stretching through the right side body. Excellent, coming straight up. Exhaling our arms down. We're going to go ahead and do a forward fold, taking that into ragdoll. So forward fold. Take your hands to your elbows. Ragdoll here, really allowing us to lengthen the spine. Go ahead and try to straighten that right leg if you can. Bending the right knee now, trying to straighten. Try to straighten the left knee. And alternate that, straightening and bending one side and then the other. And stopping in center, knees slightly bent. We're going to go ahead and do a supported ragdoll. Go ahead and just slightly bend your knees and let your chest rest on your thighs. Allowing your head just to fall. Relaxed position. Excellent. Go ahead and come up just a little bit, straightening those legs a little bit. Back to ragdoll. See if you can straighten your legs a little more than earlier. Excellent. Go ahead and release your hands and slowly round up one vertebrae at a time. Coming back to mountain pose. Go ahead and inhale your arms up. We're going to exhale into chair pose. Taking our arms back, trying to get our arms by our ears, tilting our pelvis down. Get that tailbone facing down so you have a nice flat back. Holding here in chair pose. We're going to hold it for 15 seconds. We're almost there. Keep holding it. Make sure you're breathing, holding in your core. Excellent. Go ahead and exhale your arms down. We're going to go ahead and take a step back, taking our left foot back. Take a nice stance for warrior one. Excellent. Go ahead and change the back foot to a 90-degree or parallel. And we're going to go ahead and come into warrior two. Make sure you're pulling that knee over your ankle in the front. Go ahead and turn that back foot forward and step it back forward. We're going to do yoga mudra. So we're going to take our hands behind, clasping our hands together. We're going to pivot at the hips, and we're going to just pivot forward, allowing our arms to go up, not really focusing on the arm movement here, but more on the fold, the forward fold. We're going to hold this for 6 counts. Excellent. Come on up. That gets our blood into our brain. All right, we're going to do eagle pose. So go ahead and root through the right foot. We're going to take the left foot and wrap it around that right calf, our toes. Now we've got the left leg on top, so we're going to take our left arm, it's going to be on the bottom, and we're going to wrap our arms, coming into eagle pose, getting our gaze forward. This will help with your stability. Go ahead and raise up those elbows as far as you can and hold the pose. It's okay if you fall out, just go ahead and get back into the pose. Excellent. Go ahead and unwrap your arms, unwrap your legs. All right, we will repeat that on the other side. So coming back to mountain pose, inhaling arms up, exhale to the right, inhaling up, exhale to the left, inhaling up, taking those hands down, ragdoll, forward fold. Pedal it out here if you would like to. We are a little warmed up now, so you should have a little bit more length this time. If you want to do supported, you can. Stretches a little bit more through the hamstrings. Okay, go ahead and come on up, rounding up. Inhaling arms up. Exhale into chair pose. Holding it again for 15 seconds. Excellent. Exhale, arms up. We're going to go ahead and take a step back. This time we're going to step back the right foot into warrior one. Remember to pull that knee over that ankle, keeping everything engaged. Go ahead and pivot the back foot 90 degree, warrior two. Pulling back our shoulders, nice and straight form here. Excellent, go ahead and release that. Turning that back foot forward, stepping it forward. Yoga Mudra, taking our hands behind, clasping them together, folding at the hips to pivot. See if you notice a little more length this time. Excellent. Go ahead and round on up, coming on up. Eagle pose on the left side, rooting through the left leg, taking that right leg, wrapping those toes around that left calf. This time our right leg is on top, so our right elbow is going to be on the bottom. Pulling up those elbows as far as we can and holding the pose. Excellent. Unwinding those arms, unwind your legs. Great job. I hope you enjoyed this yoga brain break. And remember, even just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference in how your lower back feels, how your body feels, and how you just feel overall. So I hope you have a great day, and please check out my other yoga brain breaks that you may enjoy mixing up in your day. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.